Atkins Diet Phase 1. What is it and what to expect? There is a lot of confusion around the Atkins Diet Phase 1 part of the weight plan. In this video we will create a clear and concise guide to Phase 1 of the Atkins diet so that you can understand it better. If you find the information in this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and get notified. Thank you. We'll also go over some other important aspects of this weight loss plan. What is the Atkins diet? The Atkins diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat, LCHF diet. Its popularity has grown in recent years, as people have looked for healthy ways to combat obesity. It encourages the consumption of meat, poultry, fish, eggs and non-starchy vegetables. However, no fruit or carbohydrate-containing foods are allowed on this diet. LCHF diets are typically used as an effective way to lose weight quickly. The goal being to achieve a healthy body mass index, BMI, while maintaining muscle and bone density. This approach can be used in addition to other forms of weight loss, like physical activity or calorie restriction. Yet, not a standalone strategy for weight loss. LCHF diets tend to be associated with ketogenic ratios of protein, fat and carbs that range from 1 to 1, 1 to 4 to 1, 1 respectively. This means that each individual meal might have up to 4 grams of protein and up to 1 gram of carbohydrates per bite. Exogenous ketones may also be consumed during this time in order to help maintain ketosis throughout the day. What is Atkins diet, Phase 1? This phase is known as the induction phase, which lasts for up to a month. During this time, you will begin to notice significant results in terms of weight loss and energy levels. As you advance in the Atkins diet, you'll be introduced to other phases, such as weight maintenance and plateau busting that help keep your healthy lifestyle on track. These phases can also help prevent or reverse weight gain later on if you have difficulty maintaining your progress. What to expect during Phase 1 of the Atkins diet? During Phase 1, you may experience some initial cravings for carbohydrate-rich foods. But don't worry, you'll eventually get used to the new diet and be able to stick to it more easily. You may even experience some initial side effects, such as headaches, fatigue, and gastrointestinal problems. These symptoms will usually disappear within a few weeks. You'll likely lose weight initially, but you may also experience some initial weight regain. You may need to adjust your calorie intake during the first phase, depending on your weight and activity level. How to begin Phase 1 of the Atkins diet. Step 1. Get educated. Set a goal for yourself. Determine how much weight you want to lose and how long you want to see results. Find out what your favorite types of foods are, what foods you enjoy eating the most, and what type of exercise you prefer. Step 2. Create a personalized plan. Create a food list that includes all the desired foods in your diet. Then, create a plan for yourself by listing the amount of calories each individual meal will have and the specific time of day it should be eaten. If you're really serious about wanting to lose weight and make lasting lifestyle changes, then it's important that you know every aspect of your lifestyle before beginning any sort of diet or exercise regimen. What to eat during Phase 1 of the Atkins diet. Phase 1 only has 3 dietary restrictions. You can eat meat, fish, or poultry, and you can eat eggs. You can drink alcohol in moderation. You cannot consume starch, breads, pasta, rice, etc., of any kind. This is the first step to a low-carbohydrate lifestyle that will help you shed pounds faster than ever before. The Phase 1 foods are very filling. You'll be eating chicken and beef with vegetables each day. Tips for keeping the weight off during the Atkins diet. The Atkins diet is a healthy lifestyle. If you're serious about staying on the diet, it's important to eat right and exercise regularly. There are some things that you can do to help make weight loss easier during the first phase of the Atkins diet. First, avoid high-fat foods like fast food, ice cream, and deep-fried appetizers. These items have lots of calories and very little nutritional value. Second, maintain your caloric intake by eating low-carb vegetables and lean proteins such as fish or white meat poultry with each meal. Third, drink plenty of water throughout the day. This will help your body stay hydrated and reduce cravings for high-calorie drinks such as sugary beverages or alcohol. Finally, get in shape by engaging in 3 to 5 45-minute vigorous workouts per week. This will help burn off fat while building muscle mass that will help you keep the weight off longer term. How to deal with cravings during Phase 1. The Atkins diet is known for being low in carbohydrates and high in protein, fat, and fiber. It can cause cravings for sugar and other carbs, so it's important to learn how to deal with these cravings. To help reduce cravings, try the following. Consume low glycemic foods that provide a slow release of sugar into the bloodstream. These are typically fruits and vegetables. Eating them regularly helps stabilize blood glucose levels. Avoid eating sweets immediately before bedtime. This helps prevent nighttime blood sugar spikes from disrupting sleep and waking you up at night. Make healthy substitutions for your favorite meals by using meat as a substitute for carbs in your diet. For example, sausage can sometimes stand in for bread or pizza with whole wheat crusts instead of white flour crusts. When to expect results from Phase 1 of the Atkins diet? Typically, people see a significant weight loss and improved health within the first few weeks of following the diet. However, it can take up to several months for all the different parameters of your health to improve. The good news is that the longer you stick with the diet, the better the results will be. So don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Just keep following the diet and you will eventually see the results you're looking for. Maintenance tips for keeping the weight off. 1. Stick to the Atkins food list. 2. Make sure you're getting enough protein. 3. Limit your intake of sugar and carbohydrates. 4. Avoid processed foods. 5. Exercise regularly. 6. Make sure you're getting enough water. 7. Avoid eating late at night. 8. Avoid eating foods that are high in sugar. 9. Avoid eating foods that are high in fat. Final thoughts. The Atkins diet is a popular weight loss diet that's been around for more than 50 years. When followed correctly, it can help people lose weight, improve their cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and lower blood pressure. As long as you stick to the diet's guidelines and don't go overboard, you should be able to keep the weight off long term. If you are interested in starting the Atkins diet, it is important to know what to expect and what to look out for. It might be tempting to go overboard with your food choices, but don't forget to keep the weight off by following these tips and sticking to the diet's guidelines. As long as you follow this diet plan, you can expect great results. If you'd like to jumpstart your weight loss plan, check out the links in the description below. Good luck! Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Thanks.